How to recover hacked Venmo account. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover a hacked Venmo account. So what you want to do is, first thing first, use the in-app feature to navigate and go to the Me section. Locate settings from the list and select Get Help. And under Get Help, you want to select Chat with Us to report the issue. If you cannot access the app, you want to call Venmo directly, find the number on their Contact Us page, and provide the details about any unusual transaction, login attempts, or change to about or account information as well. Once you've done it, next, what you could also do is, if you are able to log in, you could also go ahead and reset your password immediately and use a strong password with 8 to 20 characters, including numbers and symbol as well. After which, you could also check for any unauthorized payment or account changes. And the best way is to solve this issue is by contacting support team, and they're definitely going to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.